welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all been well and keeping safe and staying positive in lockdown, especially if you are from New Zealand and Australia as well, and a lot of other parts of the world. Personally for me, I found it like really hard in lockdown, way more so than last time. My Uma, so my grandma, had passed away, which was really sad. She eventually died from aspiration pneumonia because she had dementia and she eventually couldn't swallow, so fluid was like going to her lungs, and she was in hospital for 4 days, and we obviously couldn't see her and we couldn't say like a proper goodbye in person because of obviously the lockdown restrictions. So I was really sad about that, but a positive is like she's in a better place now. She's looking over us and no more suffering for her or the family, because yeah, it was putting a lot of stress on the family, and my uncle used to look after her full time. Like, she was 99, that is such a good age. I look kind of weird, obviously my hair back like this, and I like rush to do my makeup. That's probably why I look patchy and strange. I'm doing another SFX creepy makeup look, hence why I'm wearing this like bloody t-shirt. And how cool is this? It says never sleep again over here. This is from Mr. GuGu Miss Go. I probably still have my discount code available for them. I'll leave it here on the screen. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I have done sponsored video with them in the past, but they have such cool t-shirts, especially for like Halloween. So I thought I'd do my first SFX makeup look for Halloween. So it is now September, and I was like, oh my gosh, we've only got 2 months to go, and I know a lot of you people have like Halloween parties a few weeks beforehand. Hopefully COVID sorts itself out, but I know those of you in America, I think you're just like, you know, back to kind of normal, even though COVID's in the community. But I can't even comprehend that. The year's gone so fast. I did this makeup look, it got very big on Facebook and on Instagram. So I wanted to do something similar because I think it's like quite simple and easy, but quite effective and scary. By the way, I have filmed a lot of cool videos on this makeup look I'm about to do on TikTok. I love TikTok. I always go on there and you'll be the first to see like all my creative makeup looks, because I obviously just do them and then I film them and I post them there. So if you haven't already, please go and follow me on TikTok. I'll leave my Instagram username here. I do a lot of like creepy looks and a lot of my like SFX looks and just makeup looks, taking them off, being silly, showing my true personality. Like, I feel like I go wild on there. So anyway, I'm just gonna get straight into the makeup look. I'm back. I filmed this outro when I was doing the intro because I know that I can't speak with that makeup look I had on, so I can speak without it. So I hope you guys liked that tutorial and you might use it, or you just found it entertaining to watch. I can't wait for Halloween. If you do have any like Halloween recommendations or makeup looks for me to do, then just please leave them down below, because getting new original ideas is so hard these days. It feels like everyone's done everything. So let me know down below what you guys want me to film, especially if it's like an original idea. Anyway, I hope you guys are staying positive. This is a reminder to please reach out to your family and friends and just check in with them and see how they're doing. Go outside, go for a walk. It's so good for your mental health. And yeah, I just hope you guys are happy and you guys are just taking every day as it comes. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.